And coming up in this episode of part 2 of our visit to the Beaulieu National Motor Museum and pop-up campsite, we take a ride on a really old London bus. We visit the set of, not the set of Top Gear, but we look around all the Top Gear cars. We check out some more cars in the Motor Museum, and we have fun in the brand new, excellent Little Beaulieu play park. Welcome to day 2 here at Beaulieu. We have had a good night. I woke up really early, but that's...
You woke up at like 8:30?
No, it's 4:30, darling. Let's walk around the... Let's walk on the road, so we better go through here. And so we're going to pop back into the Motor Museum today. We've got half the Motor Museum left to do, and maybe some gardens to see. Run around the play park, maybe a trip on the monorail if there's no queues. Top Gear.
Oh yeah, Top Gear. I'd like
World
to
of
do
Top
the
Gear.
Gardens, view the garden.
And a walk around, walk around the garden. So we're heading that way now. And first up, a ride on a very, 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 very old classic London red bus. Thank you. And it takes a short tour around some of the gardens and the areas of the park here, but it only lasts 5 or 10 minutes. Oh yeah, I see it. Hello, fancy meeting you here. So for anyone that watches Top Gear, this is where you can see all the cars that they've had in their shows, and behind each of the sets, or the cars here, there is the clip showing of when the car was used in the show. So you can spend quite a bit of time in here looking at the cars and watching the clips, and it's all good fun. And now we are heading back into the Motor Museum to finish the tour of all the old cars that we didn't get to see yesterday. So let's enjoy that for a few minutes. This is one tiny caravan. No, but you have the car, sorry.
So they didn't actually see what this is your like not holiday. Thinking of
and there goes the monorail again. Okay, go on then. There we go. Thank you for joining us on today's video. Did you have fun, Max and Mummy?
I'd rate that like a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. That's not bad. Stay tuned because our next video will probably be, where are we going next?
Probably camping again.
Concierge Camping, which is a really posh campsite. So that's coming up. Thank you for watching and we'll see you then. And join us next week when our trip doesn't get off to the best of starts. Okay, this is us. Oh,
What number?
this one.
Wow. Are you sure?
Oh, there could be a problem.
Why?
But we've got no electricity.